This series covers core Vue.js from your first component all the way to advanced framework internals like teleport and custom directives. In this video you'll scaffold a real Vue 3 project from your terminal and see it running live in under a minute. This launches the official Vue project scaffolding tool and walks you through a few setup questions. This series stays focused on core Vue.js itself, so say no to every optional add-on for now. Move into the new project folder and install every dependency the scaffold just wrote into package.json. This starts the white dev server, usually at localhost 5173, with instant hot reload on every save. This is the project structure createApp generates. Your whole app starts from src app.vue. This is main.js. It creates a real Vue application from your root component and mounts it onto the hash app element. This is the template block inside App.vue. The actual HTML Vue renders to the page. Before running createApp, there's no project at all, just an empty folder. One command later, you have a fully wired Vue project with a dev server already watching your files for changes. createApp is the official way to scaffold a new Vue 3 project powered by White underneath. npm run dev starts a hot reloading dev server so you see every change instantly. Main.js is the real entry point. It creates the app and mounts your root app.vue component. Scaffold a new Vue project yourself, run npm run dev, and change the text inside App.vue's template to see hot reload in action. Next up, what's actually inside that App.vue file?